Ryan Fritz here with Science of Cardio. Today's tip for health and wellness is timing is everything. When you exercise or eat, the timing makes a huge difference in the success or benefits of what you're doing. So just be thoughtful about that. Strength training and cardiovascular exercise is the adaptation process. So when that gets stressed on your body will react differently depending on when you do that and kind of the structure of your day. Also, nutrition is the same thing. You should be doing certain things when you break a fast that will significantly improve or have diminishing returns or kind of not much of an effect when you have your first meal for the day. So this is just food for thought, something to think about. If you want more information, contact me at scienceofcardio.com. Thank you.